When it comes to tornadoes, Texas knows all too well the risks they bring. Understanding weather alerts could be a matter of life and death. Here's what you need to know. A tornado watch means to be alert. Conditions are ripe for a tornado, but one hasn't formed yet. But when a tornado warning is issued, it's serious business. A tornado has been spotted, and you need to take cover immediately. If you hear outdoor warning sirens, don't hesitate. Get indoors right away. Seek shelter in the safest place possible, an interior room with no windows on the lowest level of the building. You want as many walls between you and the outside as possible. If you're caught outside or in a vehicle, don't wait. Find shelter immediately. And if there's nowhere to go, seek out a low-lying area. Lie flat on your stomach and protect your head with your hands. Stay safe and stay informed. For more crucial tornado safety tips, visit McKinneyOEM.org.